Artificial intelligence has been rapidly advancing in recent years and is being used in many industries such as healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. Artificial intelligence is capable of automating tasks and making predictions, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings for businesses. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. The use of artificial intelligence in healthcare is improving patient outcomes by assisting with diagnoses and treatment plans. The development of autonomous vehicles and drones is making transportation safer and more efficient. Artificial intelligence is also being used for natural language processing and generation, such as chatbots and voice assistants. However, there are also concerns about the ethical implications of artificial intelligence, including job displacement and potential misuse. Governments and tech companies are investing heavily in artificial intelligence research and development to maintain their competitiveness in the field. Artificial intelligence is also being used to combat global issues such as climate change and poverty through sustainable technology and predictive analytics. The future of artificial intelligence holds great promise, but also raises important questions about its impact on society, and the need for responsible development and deployment.